friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka and in today's video I am going to share tomato facial for glowing and healthy skin. So this facial will include three very easy steps and I'm going to show you everything in detail and why we are doing all these three steps. We are going to do cleansing, scrubbing and we will apply face pack in this skincare. So I will be using all the natural ingredients and trust me guys, these ingredients works wonder on the skin. It will solve all the skin related issues and make your skin healthy, glowy and pink and red just like tomato. So now let's get started with the step number 1. Very easy, very simple. We will just take some tomato juice. We need to take fresh raw tomato juice and I'm going to add some milk into this juice and this will work as a natural cleanser. Here we are preparing a natural cleanser guys. We really don't need any side effects on the skin and this cleanser will remove all the dirt and impurities from the face because guys sometimes whenever we wash our face we just give 2 to 5 minutes. We kind of just apply the face wash the face and it's done. So no guys, in this process you need to take your time and gently apply the cleanser all over your face on a cotton pad and take your time, calm down and just clean your every area on the face, especially around your nose, around your mouth, behind your ears, don't forget your neck. So clean everything with the help of milk. Milk will not only moisturize your face but also it will soften all the dead skin cells, all the dry and dead skin that makes your skin look dull. It will soften all that dry and dead skin and later on once we scrub our face it will come out very easily and your skin will be really soft and supple and glowing. So we are doing cleansing for that purpose. So take your time, give good 5 to 10 minutes in cleaning your face, clean all the pores and this will remove all the impurities, dirt, any kind of excess of oil or sweat during the summers and your skin will become really clean for the next process of facial. So for the facial we are going to do scrub. We will be scrubbing our face and for that of course we are going to use all the natural and home remedies to do all these processes. So take some sugar guys and mix some honey into this. Honey is really good for the skin. It is antibacterial and it makes your skin really soft and smooth and it has so many benefits for the skin. So we are going to prepare this scrub with the help of sugar, honey and mix these two ingredients and like that you can put it on a slice of tomatoes and I'm gonna scrub with this all over my face. Now I'm gonna gently scrub my face. I will take all my time, I will relax and then I will do it because guys this is my skin, this is my face and I have to take care of it really nicely. I will scrub it. I'll make sure that my skin pores gets opened up because of the sugar in it. It will exfoliate my skin really well and while you are scrubbing guys it will unclog your skin pores and also it will remove all the dry and dead skin that makes your skin appear dull. Sometimes you do have that darkness on your skin, sometimes your skin looks really dull. The pigmentation that goes around on your face after sometimes we skip on skincare and leave our skin like that. So there are some darkening going on the face, so it will remove all that issues from the face permanently and you will see the result in even first attempt, but of course you have to do it day by day. You will see the result and after scrubbing my face I will wash my face and guys you can see the glow on my face right now. I have been trying out since this facial since long time and today I'm sharing with you it works guys. You can recommend this to your friends, your families, even boys can do this one. So yes, everyone can try this. All skin, it is good for all different skin type. And now we will move on to the step number 3, which is the final step. So for that we will be preparing the natural face pack and for face pack we will need some besan which is gram flour and besan and then I'm gonna add some green tea into this face pack. Guys, we really need the goodness of green tea. Green tea is antioxidant, it is antibacterial, it's amazing, it's wonderful for acne prone skin, for pimples, it heals your pimples, it just soothes your skin. It has so many good benefits for your skin. So I like to add green tea. You can use any green tea that is available in your home or if you don't have green tea, then try to add a pinch of turmeric, guys. Again, turmeric is also antibacterial, so we really need something which is antibacterial, which works against your skin problems and purifies your skin. So that's the reason I'm applying using green tea in this face pack. And then we will add some tomato juice and very little quantity of lemon juice. So lemon juice will also help to boost your complexion. It works great in terms of brightening and lightening your skin tone. So we are going to add all these these ingredients and gonna apply it on my full face. Now guys, face pack is really important for your skin. This tomato juice will make your skin toned. It will reduce the skin pores. Sometimes your makeup doesn't look smooth because of that large skin pores. The foundation gets stuck into that, or you have this skin cracking. I mean, the foundation get cracks after some time. So yes guys, try to apply tomato juice as toner on your face and you will see the result. It also helps to get rid of that suntan or sunburn we get during summers that makes our skin appear very dark and dull. It tightens your skin, so make sure that you apply the face pack and let it rest for good time, 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure that it is dried on your skin. So yes, so this is done. I have washed my face and guys, you can see the result. So guys, apply any good and intense moisturizer after doing the facial. It's very important. It will moisturize your face. And try not to step out of your house. Try to do this facial at night time, because we really need our skin really need to get calmed down, because we have done all these facial processes. So skin really needs to rest. And please do not apply makeup. Give some time and then you can apply the makeup. So I like to do this facial weekly once, and it has worked really great on my skin. And that's all guys. I will see you all soon. Till then, take care. Bye guys.